Hello, today we are going to look at how to find duplicate data in Excel. So if you have a data, for example, this data, if you want to find the duplicate data, you highlight the data or you select it under the Home tab in the grouping called Stars. So you look for conditional formatting. So you click on it. Then you put the mouse pointer on highlight cells rules. Then you come down and click on duplicate values. So you see that it will pick all the duplicate values or data. Then here you can decide to select the colors that you want. So if you want yellow, you can pick yellow. Any color that you want, you can select it. After that, then you click on OK. So you see that the data that is duplicated is selected. Thank you.